Hey everyone, it's Holly. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my recipe for chocolate peppermint cookies. Here is all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe: dark brown sugar, 2 large eggs, salted butter, pure vanilla extract, granulated sugar, baking soda, sea salt, all-purpose flour, baking cocoa, and peppermint flavored baking chips. That is everything. Let's get started. First, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. While it is preheating, I'll get everything mixed up. I'm going to be putting everything in a large mixing bowl. First will be 1 cup or 2 sticks of salted butter, and it needs to be softened, not melted, but soft. Then I will add 2/3 cup of granulated sugar and 2/3 cup of dark brown sugar. You can use light brown sugar as well. Then I'm going to mix my butter with my sugars on a medium speed for about 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to add 2 large eggs, and typically I will crack my eggs separately and do the beating before I put it in. This way I can catch any loose shells. Then will be 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. As well, I will add 2 teaspoons of water. Turn the mixer back on, again a medium speed, for an additional 3 minutes. In a separate mixing bowl, I will then add all my dry ingredients, starting with 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I usually spoon my flour into each cup. Next will be 2/3 cup of baking cocoa, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And usually I will mix together my dry ingredients with a pastry blender, breaking up the flour. Once the dry ingredients are mixed together, I will then add them to the wet ingredients, mix everything together until it is well incorporated. I never want to overmix it. Last, I'm going to be adding the peppermint flavored baking chips, and I'm going to be adding the entire 10-ounce bag here. But if you do want to measure out baking chips, I would say anywhere from 1.5 cups to 2 cups of baking chips. Turn the mixer back on and mix it just long enough to where the chips are spread evenly throughout the dough. Next, I will add tablespoon-sized dough balls to a baking pan lined with parchment paper. With my oven at 350, I will cook the dough for 8 to 10 minutes. I find that 9 minutes is always perfect. You will know they are done when they crack a little on top. This is exactly how they should look when they come out of the oven. And the great thing about it is they don't go flat. I will leave them on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes, and then I will transfer them to a cooling rack. That is it. That is how I make my chocolate peppermint cookies. I'm telling you, these cookies are a crowd pleaser. These cookies are soft and chewy. These cookies are great around Christmas time because of the peppermint baking chips. But the nice thing about this cookie recipe is they can be enjoyed all year long. You don't have to make them with peppermint baking chips. You can use a variety of baking chips, such as dark chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, butterscotch chips, or peanut butter chips. There are so many baking chips that pair well with chocolate cookies. With that, we enjoy this cookie recipe all year long, but at Christmas time, we like these cookies with peppermint chips. Peppermint to me just tastes like Christmas time. I hope that if you try making this recipe, you enjoy these cookies. If you enjoyed this video or got any value out of it, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and may you have a beautiful holiday season.